Pating Reviews presents ASUS ProArt PA248QV 24.1 inch monitor. Please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest videos. Also, check out the link to this product in the description below to get it the best possible price. Great monitor, 24.1 inches. Work wanted me to buy a budget monitor for work from home, and I was floored to see ASUS had a ProArt monitor at the $200 price point. 24.1 inch version is perfect for my needs and also suffices for light video editing and gaming. Out of the box, image quality is superb. Refresh rate has been good for console and various racing games. The built-in USB hub came in handy since I'm generally a laptop user. You don't need to calibrate it like mad, but if you want to, there are plenty of pinpoint controls for color, white balance, etc. My complaints are nitpicks. First, the monitor has 5 buttons, but none are dedicated to the simple task of switching inputs. Second, the amazing sRGB mode is tuned for dark rooms, but if you want to save a brighter version of it, it's a clumsy process to adjust and save a user mode. Like I said, nitpicks. Overall, this is an amazing monitor and I definitely recommend that you purchase it. Thank you for watching this video. All the details for this product are in the description below. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing to our channel for more videos like this one. Also, if you liked it, please consider giving it a thumbs up.